Hey there, fellow foodies and Chase Sapphire enthusiasts. If you're a proud owner of a Chase Sapphire Preferred, Reserve, or any eligible card, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into how to activate your exclusive DoorDash benefit, which could give you free DashPass membership for a year or more. This perk alone can save you a bundle on delivery fees, making your favorite meals just a tap away. Let's get started. First things first, ensure you have everything ready. You'll need your Chase Sapphire card linked to your account and a DoorDash account set up. If you don't have a DoorDash account yet, download the app and create one. It's quick and easy. Step 1. Log into your Chase account online or through the Chase mobile app. Head over to the Benefits or Offers section. It's usually found in the main menu. Look for the DoorDash partnership. It's prominently featured for Sapphire cardholders. Once you spot it, click on the offer. You'll be prompted to link your DoorDash account. If you haven't already, enter your DoorDash login details or create a new link. Chase makes this seamless, so don't worry if it's your first time. After linking, you'll see an option to activate the benefit. Hit that button and voila! Your DashPass is activated. This typically includes perks like no delivery fees on orders over a certain amount, lower service fees, and exclusive deals. One quick tip. If you encounter any issues, like an error message, double-check that your card is active and that you're using the correct accounts. Chase customer service is super helpful if you need to reach out. And that's it, you're now all set to enjoy hassle-free deliveries. Remember, this benefit can add real value to your everyday life, especially if you order out often. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy eating.